What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and there, what you're seeing now, that's the KODAK Smart TV, and this is a 40-inch TV. And the point is, this thing sounds very good, as you know, all the TVs are having what to say at the back of the screen, the downfiring speakers. They stays at the bottom right here. One would be here, another would be right there. So all the LCD TVs are having the bottom firing speakers. This thing is the same, but the sound quality, it's totally different. And these speakers produce very good bass according to the size of the speakers. Also, the surround quality is great, like amazing. And in certain cases, if you see some trailers and all, you'll feel like a theater kind of sound, not that heavy bass, that kind of sound, but the high sounds like you are sitting in the theater. So the sound is like that. So today I'm gonna show you that. That's the home screen of this smart TV, and I'm gonna go to the YouTube and gonna play some songs and trailers, and then we're gonna check the sound, how it is. So let's do that.
Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but we're getting older. Baby, it's you and yeah, stars in the sky. Yeah, stars in the sky. There's an error in the code, let me show you. Look.
There was harmony. The tiger and the great apes became the protectors of humanity. Kong, Godzilla, they can feel it too.
Is that a mini Kong?
Oh my God.
मारो नाम वेदा, उपनाम दर्जा पहचान सब पैर रतलवा।
I think you should do advanced music courses in Berkeley Music College.
And find out about that guy.
जनाब, आप भूल गए हैं कि आपकी पहचान का इंसान और वो क्या है?
Kill them.
ताकि आप और मैं दोनों सर उठा के जी सके.
Ruslan, I like that name.